Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add stroke to only one side of an object in Figma. This is a really useful technique when you want to create clean, minimal designs with borders that don't wrap around the entire shape. Let's jump right in and get this done. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to work. Make sure you've got the object selected that needs the stroke. This could be any shape, but for this example, we'll work with a simple rectangle to keep things straightforward. Once you've got your rectangle or any other shape on the canvas, click on it to select it. Now shift your attention to the right side panel where all your design properties live. Look for the section labeled Stroke. You'll notice there's a small plus icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This action adds a stroke layer to your selected object, giving you control over how borders appear on your shape. Now that you've added the stroke, the next step is to adjust its weight. The weight determines how thick or thin your stroke will appear. For this example, let's set the weight to 5. You can type this directly into the weight field or use the slider to adjust it. Feel free to experiment with different values until you find the thickness that works best for your design. Here's where the magic happens. After setting the weight, look for a small box icon near the stroke settings. This icon controls which sides of your object will display the stroke. Click on it and you'll see options appear for top, bottom, left, or right. This is what allows you to apply the stroke to just one side instead of the entire border. Depending on your design needs, choose the side where you want the stroke to appear. If you're creating a divider effect, you might select the bottom. If you're building a sidebar, the right or left might be your choice. Just click the side you want and Figma will apply the stroke only to that edge of your object. And that's it. You've successfully added a stroke to only one side of an object in Figma. This simple technique can help you create cleaner, more intentional designs without unnecessary borders cluttering your layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.